Feeling like your legs are getting weaker as you age, struggling to stand up, climb stairs, or walk without pain? It's not just aging, your legs might be starving for the right nutrients. These 30 powerhouse foods can rebuild your muscles, strengthen your bones, boost circulation, and erase joint pain. Naturally, stay tuned, because just adding these to your meals could bring back the strength in your legs. No gym needed. Let's dive into the top foods that can help you walk strong, live long, and stay independent even after 60 protein-rich foods for muscle strength. Repair food, how it helps weak legs. 1 eggs protein. Vitamin D B12 builds and repairs leg muscles, improves nerve function. 2. Chicken breast lean protein. B vitamins supports lean muscle mass, energy metabolism. 3. Salmon omega-3 South protein. Vitamin D reduces inflammation in joints and muscles. 4. Greek yogurt protein, calcium, probiotics, muscle recovery plus bone support. 5. Cottage cheese casein protein. Calcium sustained protein release, supports overnight muscle repair. 6. Lentils protein, iron, folate, boosts oxygen flow to muscles, supports endurance. 7. Chickpeas plant protein, fiber. Manganese helps muscle growth plus controls blood sugar for stable energy. 8. Tofu protein. Calcium iron builds muscle plus bone density in elderly. 9. Tempeh fermented protein. Probiotics easy digestion plus joint and gut health. 10. Quinoa complete protein, magnesium muscle contraction, energy production. Food, how it helps weak legs. 11. Milk calcium. Vitamin D maintains strong bones and prevents fractures. 12. Cheese calcium. Protein strengthens leg bones, prevents osteoporosis. 13. Leafy greens, kale, spinach calcium, vitamin K. Magnesium natural calcium sources for bone density. 1. 4. Sardines with bones calcium, vitamin D. Omega-3 combats inflammation and supports bone integrity. 15. Fortified orange juice vitamin D. Calcium great for those who avoid dairy, boosts absorption. 16. Mushrooms UV-exposed vitamin D to enhances calcium absorption. Aids bone health, anti-inflammatory foods for joint pain relief. 17. Avocados healthy fats. Potassium reduces joint pain, supports muscle contraction. 18. Turmeric curcumin fights chronic inflammation in knees and legs. 19. Ginger gingerol. Antioxidants natural pain reliever for arthritic legs. 20. Olive oil monounsaturated fats lubricates joints, reduces stiffness. 1. Chia seeds omega-3 South fiber. Magnesium anti-inflammatory and muscle recovery. 8. 22. Walnuts omega-3 South. Vitamin E supports joint mobility and brain health. 3. Flax seeds omega-3 ala. Lignin helps sore muscles and circulation in legs. Iron, potassium and circulation boosters for muscle function and leg stamina. 2. For beets nitrates. Folate increases blood flow to leg muscles. 5. Bananas potassium, vitamin B6 prevents leg cramps, supports nerve signaling. 26. Sweet potatoes, magnesium, potassium, fiber energy booster plus muscle relaxation. 27. Pumpkin seeds magnesium, zinc, iron prevents spasms and supports muscle regeneration. 28. Dark chocolate flavonols, iron enhances circulation and reduces inflammation. 29. Blueberries antioxidants, vitamin C repairs muscle cells, protects from oxidative stress. 30. Watermelon citrulline. Water, potassium improves hydration and blood flow in legs. Habits to maximize results. Hydration, aim for 8 glasses of water daily. Dehydration leads to fatigue and cramps. Pair these foods with leg-strengthening exercises like walking, resistance bands, or squats. Avoid processed foods, excess sugar, and too much salt. They weaken joints and muscles. Supplements, consider vitamin D, calcium, magnesium if your doctor recommends it. Powerful foods to strengthen weak legs in old age. 31. Almonds vitamin E. Magnesium protein prevents muscle cramps, supports repair. 32. Sunflower seeds, vitamin E, selenium. Protein fights oxidative stress in joints 3-3. Brown rice complex carbs. B vitamins, sustained energy for physical activity 34. Oats fiber. T, magnesium supports endurance, healthy blood sugar 35. Barley selenium, fiber. B vitamins, anti-inflammatory for joints 3-6. Peas protein, fiber. Vitamins A and K muscle support and joint lubrication 3-7. Edamame protein. Calcium folate promotes lean muscle mass 38. Broccoli vitamin K. C, calcium bone health and collagen production 39. Brussels sprouts fiber, vitamin C and K reduces inflammation and supports bones 40. Carrots beta-carotene. Antioxidants fights joint inflammation. Immune supports energy and circulation boosters food key nutrients. How it helps weak legs 41. Pomegranate antioxidants. Nitrates enhances leg, blood flow and energy 42. Black beans protein. Iron, fiber builds muscle and oxygen transport 43. Kidney beans protein. Potassium reduces risk of leg cramps for 4. Apple polyphenols. Fiber supports muscle recovery post-activity for 5. Pears antioxidants. Fiber supports circulation and hydration 46. Grapes, especially red resveratrol. Vitamin K supports joint flexibility and blood flow 47. Raisins iron. Potassium helps prevent leg fatigue from anemia 48. Tomatos lycopene, vitamin K anti-inflammatory, supports connective tissue 49. Bell peppers vitamin C, beta-carotene boosts collagen. For joint and muscle repair 50. Coconut water electrolytes potassium. Magnesium rehydrates muscles and prevents leg cramps. Combine these for maximum impact. Mix plant-based and animal-based proteins. Add anti-inflammatory herbs like basil, rosemary, and cinnamon. Eat colorful fruits and veggies for full body joint and muscle support. Forget to like, comment, and subscribe.